Smash event for a little while. How you doing, Jen?
I am so excited. Can you imagine? This is our third year.
I know we should have put third annual in there somehow. Except we call it something different every year, just based on the canvas.
Yeah.
So this year's canvas is Monster. We're calling it Monster Mash. This is the Monster Family. We
They're
are
so cute.
Instagram and Facebook. It's hashtag DP Monster Mash. So if you're painting along, that's the hashtag that you would post your paintings under. And then we can show them in our lives. We have numerous creators that are going to be doing this with us. Wolfpack Diamond Painting, Nana of Seven Crafts, Crafts with Crashly, and Life with Lindsay. She's on, all these people are on Instagram and Facebook. So there's all of their, what do you want, Tootsie? Oh my goodness. There's all their information. So you want to tell us, everybody, a little bit about the painting, how they can order?
Yeah. So if you go to treasurestudiosart.com, you can use Rebecca15 or DPGen15 to get your 15% off. What I love is that it's 50 by 50, so it's very manageable.
Yeah.
Yes. And easier to find a frame for if you want to put in your portfolio.
Exactly.
Yes, and it does come in square or round, but I am partial to round because Rachel at TSA, Treasure Studios Art, has graciously added for the round 4 bonus crystals that you can put throughout the painting wherever you like.
Yes, and we'll have to consult with Tia on, like, what, get her a little
Mm-hmm.
input on where to put those. But I think it's fun because if you order the rounds, everybody's painting is going to be different.
Yes.
Yeah. So the artist, I don't remember the name of the artist, Eileen. It's escaping me now. I don't have the painting in front of me. However, is it on here? No, she didn't put on any of them. Anyway,
It is
every year,
licensed to the artist.
yeah, every year Treasure Studios Arts, they curate a special canvas for us, and they go out and we decide which canvas we want, and then they go out and find the artist and license that piece of artwork. So this is licensed artwork that you'll be getting if you purchase it. But there is another way you can get this canvas. Yay! So we did this last year too. We are going to be giving away a canvas up front so that the winner can paint along with us.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we're going to have you guys leave a comment on this video, and then we will come back live on Tuesday nights and draw a winner. We'll do a random comment picker and draw a winner. This is available internationally because it comes from China once it's ordered by Treasure Studios Arts. They do not have canvases that sit on the shelf. They're all made to order. So if you can order squares, you can order rounds, and you'll get the crystals.
Mm-hmm.
And then your painting will come to you anywhere in the world from China, hopefully in time for the
September 15th kickoff.
For the September 15th kickoff, and it will be happening in both of our lives and in a live that I do on Monday nights on Instagram. So what else?
Well, and the nice thing too is
yeah.
if the cartoon monsters are too cute for you, there are many Treasure Studios artists that have Halloween painting as well, which I'm super excited about. So check out treasurestudiosarts.com because you may find something that you like if you're not into cartoon monsters, but they're so cute.
Yeah, and we are procuring other prizes for this event. So far, we have Diamond Painting Drills is donating a $25 gift card and a 10% off purchase code for when the event starts on September 15th. So that'll be cool. So you don't have to have this painting to be eligible for those prizes.
Right. Exactly.
Yay! I'm so excited. I haven't done anything with you this year since last year. I know, and you're so fun on your lives. I enjoy your lives. What else was I going to say? Okay, other rules. It's available internationally. You must be subscribed
Yes.
to the channels, both channels, to enter to win this canvas. You must leave a comment down below. Let us know which is your favorite, squares or rounds. So we'd like to hear from you in your comment. Which one do you like the best, squares or rounds? Anything else? What am I leaving out?
We will be having an unboxing video shortly to
Yes.
show you to celebrate. And we're also going through October 31st. So even if you may not get it exactly on September 15th, don't worry. We have quite a while for you to work on it.
This is true. This is true. Ours should be here in a couple of days, so you should see both of our unboxings this week, and my unboxing will go up on Instagram as well. So I look forward to that. So guys, don't forget, leave your comments, subscribe, and it's available to everyone. So we will see you Tuesday night, August 24th. What time are we doing this?
What time sounds good for you? I can do it anytime.
Like 8 my time, 9 yours?
Sure, that sounds great. So
Okay,
9 p.m. Eastern, 8 Central.
8 p.m. Central. All right. We'll see you guys then. Leave a comment. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.